YouTube, what up though, man? It's Rory and Jay. Back on another video. Just finishing up my pre-trip. Load I had last night, a steel pipe coming out of Gerdau, Cartersville, Georgia. It's all secured and everything. It's a truck pulling up next to me. Getting a little better at tarping. Man, check this out. This morning I woke up right doing my pre-trip. And I noticed somebody scraped my trailer, man. Or not my trailer. Somebody scraped my tractor. It didn't damage the light or anything, but it was pretty close. So now I'm gonna text my trainer, let him know what happened and see if I'm doing everything right. Cause I know I gotta send in a breakdown for him just to let Maverick know. You know. Actually just waiting till my 10 hours is up. So I stopped last night around 9. I ended up getting loaded late. 10 hours is up at 7:09 a.m. That's in about 15 more minutes. Just recheck this, make sure there's nothing leaking. Nothing bent, broken, or loose, or damaged. Man, I know it's new drivers, but damn, they could have let me know, man, that they hit me. Yeah, as you can see, there's no damage down there. Not to the light, but it was pretty close. Just got paid yesterday. Yeah, I just got paid yesterday, man. I'm gonna show y'all the check stub as well while doing this breakdown for him. I got a big forehead, man. I ain't sweaty or nothing. It's the grease, my hair grease. New drivers, man. I'm a new driver, but I would at least let the person know I hit them. That way they can get my contact info and, you know, our companies can sort it out. I know I was parked around a lot of Jordan Carrier people. I don't know, man. If you ever hit somebody else's tractor, scrape it or damage it, man, stay at the scene of the crime. Or at least let the person know what happened. The person's not there at the scene of the crime, leave a note or something. It's your company's information. You don't want to just pull off, man. You know, because that brings, you know, that's bad in God's eyes. It brings karma back on you, as well as getting in trouble, man, later on down the line. So you know. In 10 more minutes till I'm able to log on duty. Yeah, man, I was just calling, get y'all an update. Oh yeah, let me show y'all my. See if I check stuff. Blah 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 blah. Well, I guess I'm gonna upload it in the next video, man. Cause it's not here up on this tablet. I'm still learning the whole YouTube algorithm. I don't really know how to edit videos or add like my check stubs and skip, you know, part of videos. I'm gonna do that. I just been busy. I'm gonna get a camera for YouTube, you know, and make more content to actually show y'all hands-on what it's like, you know, securing these loads and getting them, you know, and what to expect out here. So just stay tuned. Be on the lookout for my next video to show my second week's pay stub and what was taken out. I think it was only $1,200. I should have got more, but I forgot. I think I had a breakdown that week, as well as waiting at a shipper for a long time to get loaded. So I think that's why it wasn't more than that. But yeah, man, let me put in this breakdown for me. Y'all just like, subscribe, comment. Any questions y'all got, I'll be happy to answer them about Maverick and the way that they do things. Yeah, man, like, subscribe, comment. Be on the lookout for my next video, man. I'm out.